Cadasio is constantly improving the user experience to make projects easier to create and more enjoyable to view. In this video, we'll take a look at a selection of tips and recent enhancements that have been designed to get your projects finished faster. Throughout the creation of a project, it's common to need to get objects back to their default position, and this can be done by hitting the Restore Default Position button from the Transform Tools tab. But to speed things up, there is also the handy keyboard shortcut of R. Due to popular request, we also added the ability to restore the position of an object from any step within the project. With an object selected, choose Restore Position from existing step. Again, this is found on the Transform Tools tab. A new window appears which allows you to pick the step from which you wish to copy the position. As a handy shortcut, if you want to restore the position of an object to your current active step, then you can right-click the Restore Position from step icon, or use the keyboard shortcut of Shift R. Navigating a project whilst in the designer can now be done in two ways. Using the page up and page down keys on your keyboard are convenient shortcuts, but we improved the interface and added previous and next step buttons on the steps menu to make life easier. Did you know you can quickly add lines and arrows to Cadasio using the quick draw shortcuts? With a CAD object selected, right-click the line or arrow in the toolbox. This draws it from the object's current position to its default position. If you hold Ctrl and right-click it, it will draw it from the object's current position to the object's step position. The step position is the currently saved position of an object within that step. Text, labels, and item numbers often include leaders, anchoring the information to a specific area on the project. To improve the layout of this information, Cadasio has several useful tools to help arrange your items found on the Transform Tools tab. We added two leader alignment options, which can be used to snap leaders horizontally and vertically. You can also align multiple items at once by control selecting or box selecting them all first. By default, when creating a new step, Cadasio assigns the name step followed by a number that increments as more steps are added. Both of these elements can now be changed. From within the options, under the Miscellaneous tab, there are new options for Default Step Prefix and Next Step Number, meaning you can automatically name your steps exactly as required. And with the new Quick Create functionality, you can really speed up the creation of your projects. Simply right-click the Create Step icon to quickly save a new step with the default settings. You can of course go back and edit anything about the step should you need to once it's been created. When navigating a project in view mode or viewing a published project, additional options are now available to improve the user experience. When using the navigation overlay, you can now quickly jump to specific steps, either from the steps list or using the steps manager. To increase the speed of navigating a project, animations can also be disabled by toggling the animation button. Cadasio is constantly adding new features based on user feedback. Make sure to let us know if you have any suggestions. You can do this via email or by going to the help area and choosing Suggest Feature. Don't forget to subscribe to Cadasio on your favourite social media platform for more tech tips and news.